Thank you for taking the class. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd like to summarize the topics we covered. Goal setting, or how to set achievable, incremental, and measurable goals. You should now probably have an inkling of the goals that you'd like to achieve in your life. Well, it's time to build motivation then. Stoke the fires and get ready to apply passion to the passions of your life. Of course, we must remember that we need to apply discipline or management to direct our momentum in a particular direction and to keep it going. And speaking of keeping going, we need persistence to either overcome our barriers or to step around them. Finally, we talked about rinse and repeat, which was a pretty simple step. I did it somewhat tongue-in-cheek. So, the class project, really simple. It's life. We were talking about life here. This isn't a software project or something where you can submit a report or give me a thumbs up. A thumbs up would be nice, though. This is your life. So take the class seriously. And I hope to see you in the next class.